Coaster Spotters. We are at SeaWorld San Antonio on March 20th, and we are taking a look at SeaWorld's future next attraction. This has been severely delayed, but this will be an S&S swing shot, just like the one at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and that will be coming to Tampa as well. But as you can see, foundation work is continuing, and from the last time I was here, they have resumed construction. This was overgrown back in October, so looks like they're moving ahead on this construction project finally. So should be exciting to ride it eventually. You could see all the ride parts right behind Texas Stingray, so it's coming eventually, so that's nice to see. But that's it, just a quick little update here to show you the progress.